Hi dears, good morning to all.
How are you? Welcome back our grammar class. Last class we discussed what is the name of the first lesson? Yes, nouns and their types. I think all of you understand noun, what is noun and their types of nouns. Here in second chapter we are going to discuss singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns. Okay, all of you take your textbook, take page number 7 and look at your textbook. Okay, today we are going to discuss the second lesson, singular and plural noun. Singular and plural noun. What is noun? What is noun? Yes, noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. We all know. We have already discussed that topic in the first chapter. Okay, here we are going to discuss singular and plural nouns. What is singular? What is singular? Anybody guess? We have already discussed the singular and plural nouns in last class. 4th standard we have already studied. Yes. Anybody say the answer? What is singular noun? Yes. Singular noun names one person, place, animal or thing. Understand? Yes. Singular noun. Okay, singular noun names one person. All of you remember this word. One person, place, animal or thing. ഒന്നിനെ പറയുന്നതാണ് എന്ത്? Singular noun. Okay. Names, singular nouns names one person, place, animal or thing. Understand? Okay, and then this next now plural noun. What is plural noun? What is plural noun? Yes, plural noun names more than one person, place, animal or thing. Plural nouns okay, plural nouns names more than one person, animal or thing. Person, place, person, animal or thing. Understand? What is the difference between plural and singular noun? Okay, once again we discuss. Singular nouns names one person, place, animal or thing. Singular nouns one person. Okay, here the plural nouns names more than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ. More than one, place, person, animal or thing. All of you clear? All of you got the answer? Okay, then next we are all of you look at your textbook. Take page number 7. Singular nouns. Look at that column. Singular nouns and plural nouns. Singular, girl, plural, girls. Here, singular, girl. Here, this is a singular. അല്ലേ ഒരു പെൺകുട്ടി. Here, അത് നമുക്ക് എന്തിലേക്ക് മാറ്റണം? Plural nounsലേക്ക് മാറ്റണം. Plural nouns എന്താണ്? Plural nouns means more than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ എങ്ങനെ? We are adding yes. Plural nouns. Girl. Girls. അല്ലേ? Girl എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരാൾ, girls എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ. Understand? Okay. One more example. Fox. And then foxes. Okay. Bus. Buses. Okay. This is the example of singular and plural nouns. Understand? Understand? Here, girl, girls, fox, foxes, bus, buses. Understand? Okay. Okay. Then forming plural nouns. Forming plural nouns. Forming plural nouns. എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് plural nouns ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. In most cases, we form the plural by adding s in the singular form. Most cases, we form the plural by adding s in the singular form. Singular forമിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് s ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതെന്തായി മാറുന്നു? Change into plural form. Examples. Here, apple. Apple is a singular. നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? When we form the plural by adding s. Here, apple is a singular. Then change into plural form. Apple, we are adding yes. We are adding yes. Okay. Here, this is singular and this is a plural form. We are adding yes. Understand? Then we say apples. Apples. Okay. And one more example. Door. Then we are adding yes. Door. We are adding doors. Okay. Then finger. Finger. Fingers. We are adding yes. We are adding yes in the singular form. Okay. Understand? Okay. Then 3 more examples are given in your textbook. Pen, pens, pocket, pockets, ear, ears. Okay. Understand? Okay. And the next point. In the nouns that end with s, in the nouns end with s, ss, sh, ch, x. Here, the nouns ending with the s, ss, sh, ch, x. Nouns end ചെയ്യുന്നത് അവസാനിക്കുന്നത് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ s അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ss, sh, ch, x ഇതിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ we form the plural by adding es. എന്താ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കും നമ്മൾ പ്ലൂറലിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്? we adding es. Okay. By adding es. For example, bus. Bus. അപ്പോൾ എന്തിനാണ് ഈ നൗൺ എന്തിനാണ് അവസാനിച്ചത്? yes, ending with yes. Then we change into plural form. We adding es. Buses. And then glass. Noun ending with ss. Ss. Then we change into plural form. Glasses. Okay, understand? And then bench. Then we ending with now ch. We adding yes, benches. And then tax. The now ending with the x. Then we adding taxes. Understand? Here the nouns second point, all of you remember the second point, the nouns ending with the s, ss, sh, ch or x, ending with the these words we adding, change into plural form we adding es. Understand? Okay, then two more examples, brush, brushes, dish, dishes. Okay. Here, and the third point, in nouns ending with the o. The nouns ending with the o. Then, third point, nouns ending with the o. O ilana avasanikunnathengil we usually form plural by adding es. Plural by adding es to singular form. നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ഓയിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ പ്ലൂറലിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി, സിംഗുലർ ഓയിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ പ്ലൂറലിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി we adding es. Understand? We adding es. Example, singular mango. Mango is a singular form. Then we change into plural form. What is the answer? Yes, mangoes. Here, the noun ending with the o, we change into plural form mangoes. We adding es. Okay. And then second example, tomato is ending with the o. Here, change into plural form, we adding es, tomatoes. Okay. And then potato, potatoes. Okay, these are the example of singular and plural nouns adding es. The ending the noun ending with o, by adding we use the change into plural form, we adding es. All of you remember this third point. Okay, here then one more example, volcano, volcanoes. And then next one, exceptions. There are however some nouns ending with the o. Some nouns, ചില nouns അവസാനിക്കുന്നത് ഓയിലാണെങ്കിൽ that takes only yes. Exceptions ആണ്. Some nouns ending with o, that takes only yes. Some nouns, expression case, some nouns ending with o, we use only yes. Okay, here example, igloo, radio, radio. Here ending with the, now ending with the o. Here we are adding radios, radios. And then studio, studio, studios. Okay, in exceptional case, we sometimes the nouns ending with o, we are adding only, ending with o, we are adding only yes. Understand? Here, example, kangaroo, kangaroos, piano, pianos, photo, photos, radio, radios, studio, studios. And then next point, all of you look at the next point, in nouns ending with the f or fe, nouns ending with the f or fe, ending with the noun ending with the f or fb, noun അവസാനിക്കുന്നത് എഫിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എഫ് ഇയിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കും? By we form the plural by changing f or fe to vs. We adding to changing vs. പ്ലൂറലിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ vs ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ദെൻ എക്സാമ്പിൾ leaf. Leaf. Yeah. Ending with a y. Okay. Then change this word into plural form. Yeah. എന്താണ്? Then we adding vs. Leaves. And then one more example. Life. Yeah. The noun ending with the fe. Okay. Fe. Then change into ending with the fe. We are adding vs. Then we leaves. Life leaves. Okay. This is the changes between singular and plural nouns. Yeah. The nouns ending with the f and fe, we change into plural form. We adding ves. All of you remember this. Understand? Okay. And the next, some more examples are given below. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Life, lives. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolf. Okay. Here, in expression case, there are however some nouns ending with f. Some nouns ending with the f. Some nouns ending with the f. That takes yes. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നു പ്ലൂറലിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി? That takes yes. Only we are adding some nouns. Sometimes we are adding only yes. Here, an example: chief. Expression case ending with the f. Here the singular noun is ending with the f. We are adding only yes. Chief. എന്താ വരിക? Chiefs. Okay, sorry. Chiefs. And the second example, proof. Proof. Here, singular noun ending with the f. Here, we are adding only yes. Proofs. Proofs. Okay. Here, roof. Roofs. Hoof. Hoofs. Hoofs can be used to dove. Doves. Doves can be used too. Here, then another point, in the nouns ending with the here in nouns ending with the y. In nouns ending with the y. Nouns ending with the y. Ending with y, the consonant before it, we form the plural by changing y to ies. Plural change to ies. വൈയിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ പ്ലൂറലിലേക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു? യെസ്, ies. Understand? Here, examples: army. Here, the noun ending with y, we are adding ies. Armies. Understand? Here, next example: baby. Babies. Story. Stories. Here, consonant sounds ending with y. Consonant sounds ending with y. We are adding ies. Okay. Then, two more examples: city. Cities. Pony. Ponies. Puppy. Puppies. Story. Stories. Okay. Here, and the next one. In nouns ending with y, with a vowel before it, we form the plural by adding s to the word. നമ്മൾ കോൺസണന്റ് സൗണ്ട്സ് വൈയിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? We using ies. In next we ending with y, the vowel sound. The vowel sounds ending with the y. Vowel sound ending with the y. We are adding plural. We singular nouns change into plural form, we are adding only s. Okay. Here, example, boy, boy, boys, day, days, toy, toys. These are the example of vowel sounds ending with y. We are adding only yes. Okay. Then donkey, donkeys, monkey, monkeys, toy, toys, tray, trays. Okay. And the next point, in nouns ending with the is. The nouns ending with the is. The nouns ending with the is. Nouns ending with the is. Confusion ഈ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവരുത്. എന്താണ് എസും ഐ എസ് ഒക്കെ എവിടെയാണ് ചേർക്കണേന്ന് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവാതെ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് പഠിക്കുക. All of you study carefully. Okay. Here the nouns ending with the is, we form the plural by changing es, changing plural nouns es. Nouns ending with the is, we plural we want to change we are adding es. Okay, understand? Example, axis ending with the ies, we are adding then es. Okay, understand? And then one more example, crisis, then es, we are adding es, crisis. Okay, then two more example, basis, oasis. Okay, and then the next point, in nouns ending with the us, nouns ending with the us, nouns ending with the us, in singular nouns ending with the us, we form the plural by changing I. The plural we want to change I. Here, nucleus, nuclei. We use I. Syllabus, syllabi. Okay, then fungus, fungi. Then one more example in your textbook, alumnus, alumni. And then how about circus changes into circuses? Okay, circus, sometimes circus you are ending with the us, change only circuses, adding es. In nouns ending with the au, we form the plural by adding x. നമ്മൾ എന്താ nouns ending with the au, we are adding only x. Example, tableau, tablets, then tattoo, platex, platters can be used too. Okay, here I think all of you understand the forming plural. Okay, I think all of you understand how to forming plural nouns. Once again we discussed the plural nouns. Here simply first we are adding the plural nouns yes, singular noun we are adding yes, and then and the second one ending with the nouns s, ss, ch, sh and x, we are adding es. Okay, and then Third point, the nouns ending with O, we are adding ES. And then, expression case, sometimes ending with O, we are adding yes also. Expression case, we are adding yes. Then, for fifth one, nouns ending with the F or FE. Singular nouns ending with the F or FE, we are adding, change into plural nouns, we are adding VS. VS. Okay. And then sometimes expression case F ending with the, we are adding S also. And the sixth point, the consonant sounds ending with Y, we adding IES. We adding IES. In consonant sounds ending with the vowel sound, singular nouns ending with the vowel sounds, we add vowel sound Y, ending with Y, we adding only yes. Okay. And the eighth point, nouns ending with the IS. Nouns ending with the singular nouns ending with the IS, we are adding, to change into plural nouns, we are adding ES. And the ninth point, ending with the US. Nouns ending with the US, we are adding only I. Okay. And the 10th point, in the nouns ending with the AU, we are adding yes. These are the formings of plural nouns. First one, we are adding the singular nouns only yes. Then SSH ending with the SS, SCH, SH, X, we are adding ES. And then third one, nouns ending with the O, we are adding we are adding yes and ES. Then expression case, we are adding only yes. And then nouns ending with the F O, FV, we are adding VES. And then consonant sound ending with Y, we are adding IES. Then vowel sound, we are adding only yes. And then nouns ending with the IS, we are want to plural change to ES. Then nouns ending with the US, we are adding I. Then nouns ending with the AU, we are adding yes. These are the forming formula of plural nouns. Okay, I think all of you understand. All of you take page number 10. Here this is one example. Complete this table. One has done for you. We have already discussed all cows. Ending with the ES. We using calf. Then one more example I will say. Armies. Plural nouns ending with the IES. What is the answer? Yes, army. Okay, want to change into singular form. Here plural nouns are given below. First all of you find out the singular nouns. This is a homework for you. This is a small homework for you. I think all of you understand what is singular and plural nouns. What is singular? Yes, singular noun names one person, place, animal or thing. And the plural nouns names more than one, place, animal or thing. I think all of you understand. I think all of you understand our today's class. All of you study very well. Thank you.